Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps section. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on manage apps, so the second option, and 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. So simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this device. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.